Hi, this is a 1904 Century Model 41 unfolding camera. It comes with the original case. The case is very worn, as you can see. Part of the lid is coming off. The handle's missing. Just quite a bit of wear and tear on this. So also missing whatever the lock was here, or a hinge. Something was here before. So that's the case. It comes with 6 film holders, adapters. These are very good condition. A lot of these will go for $20 or more each. The air release hose and the bubbler, or bubble, I'm not sure how this is referred to, very dry, and it's just not working at all. It's torn. The end of it is torn off and still attached to the camera. So the camera itself, the handle, you can see that the handle is very worn. I am not lifting the camera by the handle because it could just come off at any moment, so be cautious with that. Just scuffing and wear throughout on the camera body, but not terrible considering the age. So it has the area here in the back for inserting the film. So you could take your film, insert it. I'm not gonna, yeah, so let's just go ahead and put it in. So do something like that. I'm not sure if it needs to go a little bit further or not, but you'll take a photo and then take that out. So that's how the cartridge goes in. You can also open up the back door. It has a little hinge that pops out, and you can see that there is glass here, and glass is intact, good condition. Also, I kind of wanted to, I'll show you in a minute how we take a photo of that. So that's that door. Now, it's a little tricky opening up the front. There is a hinge here, and I think this hinge is to open up the back of it, of the whole camera, and I have to be cautious on that. But the way to open the front door is there's this little lever here. So you kind of, sometimes you have to move back and forth a little bit before it does it, but basically you just turn it and it releases. What it does is it releases this, this here, the slot will attach to the top portion here, and what the release will do is it will push this whole rail up and down until it releases. So that's what that does. So you can see the camera is in good condition. Now you have to be careful as you move out the body that you don't yank it too hard. So this is the release here. So you turn it to release it. Basically it kind of clicks in place, and then to move it, you move it to the front. Make sure that the slot will go on the rail correctly, because this can come off. If you pull it and it doesn't engage the rail, it will come off. You just have to kind of work itself back in. So let's go ahead and move it up. You might have to kind of work itself, work it by moving it side to side a little bit so it goes in all the way. Now, one of the things that you have to, you can do is you can move the rail in and out like this. So that's what that does. There is a sight finder here. You open it up, but I'm not able to see a lot through the sight finder. I'm able to tell the light where the light is, so that might need a little bit of cleaning. So that's the sight finder. The wood here is probably not original. It looks like somebody did some repair work on that. So that's the camera. You can see the wood in the back. Here on the inside, the wood is in nice condition, but just consider the age of this item. The lens is nice and clean, no damage there. And when we engage the shutter, I was able to view from the other side. You can see it blink, so the light goes through nicely. Overall, the bellows, red bellows, is nice condition on all sides, and you can see photos of that. If you have any questions, send me a message on eBay. Thank you.